Hey guys! I made chicken, asparagus, and wild rice casserole the other day, and my husband said it was so delicious I have to make it more often. My uncle actually gave me this recipe. He used to make it for his kids when they were younger, and now I'm sharing it with you guys. And I have a feeling your family is gonna love it too. So let's get started.
Begin by preparing 1 box of Uncle Ben's wild rice mix according to the package instructions. I'll leave the one I use in the description below. We will be using about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Slice them in half horizontally and season well with salt and pepper. In a bowl, mix together 1 can of cream of mushroom soup with 1/4 cup of milk. Mix until well combined. In another bowl, mix 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs with 3 tablespoons of melted butter. This is going to give our casserole a nice crispy crust. Heat oil over medium-high heat and sear the chicken. When I first experimented with this recipe, I tried it with using whole chicken breasts and then slicing it in half, and I found that slicing in half helps it to cook more evenly. Turn and brown the other side. The chicken doesn't have to be cooked through at this point, it'll finish cooking in the oven. Now it's time to assemble our casserole. Trim 1 asparagus bunch and place them onto a baking dish. These asparagus are rather thin because that's what they had available at the grocery store. But if you can, choose thicker ones because that will help the asparagus stay nice and crispy. Spread your prepared wild rice mixture over the asparagus. When I think of casseroles, I think of Paula Deen. And yes, I watched a lot of Food Network shows back in the day. I remember making one of her recipes called Lady and Son's Chicken in Wine Sauce. I remember it being so easy and delicious. Place the chicken on top of the rice. There's something really comforting about pulling a warm, bubbly casserole right out of the oven. What's your favorite go-to casserole? Let me know and leave a comment below. Next, pour the cream of mushroom soup mixture over the chicken. And sprinkle over 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Lastly, sprinkle over the breadcrumbs. Heat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 30 minutes. 30 minutes has passed and I just pulled it out of the oven. Time to serve this baby up. Look at all these layers of deliciousness. You've got your veggies, tender chicken, this creamy, cheesy sauce with a little bit of crunch on top. You guys are gonna love this casserole. Just look at this.
Cheers!
Delicious. Love it. Thank you.
If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to check out all my other recipes on chicken. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. I'll see you on the next cooking video.